Hello guys, you are welcome to King's Tech Phones Repairs and Unlocking. If this is your first time visiting our channel, please do subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Here we deal in unlocking phones, all kinds of unlocking. Yeah, whether an iPhone or any brand at all. We give tips about how to fix phones, either your screen have broken or anything at all. So today we are here to tackle a phone called OPPO. I know it's not from Ghana here. Yeah, OPPO A16s. Yes, OPPO A16s. Yeah, we've done the opening. We have done everything about it. We are about to face new screen on it. As you can see, I've removed the old one from it. I've done with my cleanings and all those kind of things. So at this point, I'm just about to test my screen, the new screen that I'm about to put on. So this is my package, as you can see. And if you want anything like any screen to, yeah, this is my number. This is my number. My personal line, please. This is my personal number, and it's also a WhatsApp number. You can text me anything, any screen you want. And if you want tools to unlock your phone too, you can also text me. Any screen, I'll order it for you. Yeah. Please, this is it. This is OPPO A16s screen. OPPO A16s. As you can see, it's very black. Yes, it's very black. See, this is very good screen. Yeah, this is original screen. So we are about to test it on the phone and see if everything will work smoothly. Yeah. So for this phone, they have indications on it. You just leave this black thing here and you push it like this. Like this. So you just aim this hole. So you turn the phone like this. Yeah, as you can see, this is OPPO phone. You aim the hole, you just put the screen flares inside it. You place it on the frame very gently. Then you put your battery back. But make sure you fit the screen on here. Yeah. Then you place it very gently. You plug your battery back. Let's try to on the phone and see if it will work. Yes, as you can see, the phone is off. It's on. So this means that the screen is working. Come on, very cool. So we just wait for it to boot. Then we will test the touch and see if the touch too will work. Please, and if you have any issue, you can leave it at the comment section, or you call me or text me on WhatsApp and describe your problem. And me and my team, we are very glad to assist you with everything, either unlocking or tips on how to repair phones, any phone. Yeah, we do unlocking, flashing, FRP bypassing, everything. Yo, the phone is off. I think it's on low battery, so let me put my charger and let's see if it's the battery's fault. Yeah, the phone is on again. Please, if this is your first time visiting our channel, kindly do like, share, leave your comment, and hit the subscribe button. And please kindly put the notification on, so whenever we drop a new video, YouTube will notify you first. And if you have any suggestions or anything at all, you can leave it at the comment section, or better still, we take our number and chat us. If you are facing, the phone is on. I think it was the battery fault. See, as you can see, it's just 1%. If you have anything or any suggestion to make, or if you don't understand anything about unlocking, if you want any tool, whether pay tool or free tools, don't hesitate to chat us. Yes, the screen is working. As you can see, everything is working normally. So let's see. The touch was working normally. Yeah, now it's even charged to 7%. So everything is working. So let me go ahead and wear phone. You have to try everything and see. Sometimes some parts will work, some parts will not work. So you can see now everything is working smoothly. So we just disconnect the charger, close it, then remove the screen and face it. So now we are coming to put our glue on it. After that, we just place the screen back to it. And let me make this clear to you. Some of the screens and some of the frames, you see this thing over here. Let me zoom it. Yeah, this thing. Although there's rubber on it, but sometimes they get contact with the frame. You see, the frame is metal, somehow metal, aluminium, something like that. So what I always do is that I just put solid tape there, the paper one, so that you will be on a safer side. Sometimes when you do it just now, it will just be touching itself. So to be on the safer side, you just put paper tape on it like this, so that it will just be on the safer side. So it will prevent the ICs touching the frame. So this is the tip I give for you today. So after that, we just take your frame and take your glue the inside. Don't make it too much. Glue it gently. Please do subscribe and hit on the notification button, so whenever we drop a new video, YouTube will notify you first. And do share the content for us, so that your friend will also use it. And do comment too. If you have any suggestions, if you have any questions, you can leave it at the comment section. We will attend to it. And if you have any phone that you want us to do video about, you can also leave in the comment section, whether it's locked or any tip about how to fix it. Beautiful. After you've done with the gluing, and please, whenever you are gluing your frame, when you reach up here, steady. So as there is the sensor. Yeah, this is where each sensor is. So here, where is my flat? Let me use this. Here we don't put glue over there, else the sensor will misbehave. So now, as you can see, we are done with it. So you just take your screen back, remove the battery again, you aim this hole, and you put the screen first inside. Then you gently place this. Make sure you fill the screen very deep. Well, so now we have placed the screen and the frame very gently. So you just head forward, then we fix the fingerprint flex like this. This is OPPO A16s. So from here, just put your wrapper. Please don't make it too much, or else you broke the screen. So I just switch it on again. So I'm done with the. So let's try and see again if that will work. We are done with the phone. If you have any suggestions, if you have any questions, can leave it at the comment section. Thanks for watching. This is King's Tech Phone Repairs and Unlocking. Boom. Everything is working. This is King's Tech Phone Repairs and Unlocking. Please do subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.